In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take your videos and turn them into AI anime. Let's get to it. So we need to go ahead and open up Discord, add the server. We're going to be looking for Domo AI, of course. You type it in the invite link, it'll pop up immediately. Just join the server, and here you'll answer a couple of questions. We want to generate AI art, and then we go ahead and hit next, and we'll join one of these rooms below. So from here, we generate video. Type in video here, / hit enter. We grab the video we want to use. Go ahead and use test. And here, we want to go to prompt and type in settings. Here it'll give us options, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10. Here you're also prompted to use any different style. We have the anime style, Japanese, live action, Chinese, 3D art cartoon style. We'll just go ahead and pick that one. And then we go ahead and hit start, and it'll start generating our video. Where'd it go? Here we are. It's generating the video. So our video is complete. As you can see, I put people talking, click on the video. Okay, here we are. So I'll go ahead and play the video clip for a few seconds here. Pretty cool. You can also see what other people are doing as well by clicking on the play button here. Some people are using the 3D art cartoon effect. Others are using the anime. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.